This is a new outfit that just arrived from QVC. Black Isaac Mizrahi Live. They're considered shorts, but they're like capris on me because I'm so short. And Susan Grave top, cold shoulder top. The straps are going to need to be adjusted because look how wide. Let me see if I can. Let's see if I can show you. The straps are attached like at my armpits. And I don't think any of my bras are going to match that. But I can cut the straps and move the straps. It's not a big deal. But, oh, so pretty. I love purple. And it's got this little flouncy here. It's very thin and flowy. Very pretty for the summer. And I've just fallen in love with the cold shoulder top after my last two that I've purchased. So, yeah, and I love these Isaac Mizrahi pants. They are comfy, but I like something that's comfy, but also has some oomph and some structure. I don't like stuff that's like super, just barely there. And these are definitely substantial without being heavy. So yeah, they've got some texture to them, and they've got a little notch here at the leg, which is perfect for me. So yeah, I'm liking it. Excuse my hair, I'm a mess since I've been sick. What? And I need to try on my Dia & Company stuff too, because I need to send that back. It's Sherry, and welcome to The Eyes Have It. This is my Dia & Company try-on for May. It came at the beginning of June, so I guess it's June. So I'm doing this top, which I kind of like. It's got this kind of cool cutout detail with pearls. The only thing I don't like is of that real, I don't know, watery, silky fabric that really grabs. So I'm trying to decide whether to send it back for one size larger. But anyhow, these are not Dia & Company. These are Isaac Mizrahi Live that I just got from QVC. But I wanted to show you the comparison of these shorts and the ones that I'm about to put on. Okay, so these are my first pair of shorts from Dia & Company. And I think you can see what I mean by the difference between these and the Isaac Mizrahi. These are just huge in the legs. And I mean, I love the color. The fabric is fabulous. Not the biggest fan of the closure here, which is that there's metal hooks. But, you know, the color, the fabric, the feel of it and everything. The only downside is whatever they used in these pockets, or is this not the pair? There's one pair. Maybe it's not these. But anyhow, I mean, they just look frumpy. And I could probably go, since I've been sick, I could probably go a size smaller and they'd be snug. But I don't know, man. Look how big they are. They just look sloppy, I think. All right. Yes, I know you're here. All right. So let me make the next change, which will be top and bottom. All right. This is my next outfit from Dia. The shorts are a full size too big. They weren't when they arrived, but since I've been sick, they are. Again, you got that big, floppy, sloppy leg syndrome. And because they're not petites, the crotch is hanging down low. And then this top, I mean, it's pretty, but it's dress level. I could wear it as a mini dress. I'm not the biggest fan of the button-up type of sleeve. I think the print is gorgeous, and I'm really into the, you know, the coral and the tangerine and all that now. It's very sheer, so I'd have to wear like a cami or something under it. I mean, I like it, but I don't know that I'd wear it in the summer because I'm always hot. I don't know. I just don't know what to do about it. And then, of course, you know, I'd have to tuck it, belt it, something, and it's going to be too much fabric to tuck, especially in a pair of shorts. So, you can carry it folded like that, and it's got a magnet which to keep it folded, which I think is pretty cool. But then and then there's this part, and it's got a chain. But then there's also this part where you could actually go clear down to the bottom. And there are there pockets down there? I can't really tell. Urban Expressions is the company, I guess. The lining is pretty. But, you know, I don't know. I'm lazy when it comes to purses, and I don't like to have to do a whole bunch of work to get out my stuff. This part here, you know, there's no security to it except for the snap. I don't know. I love it. I think it's much prettier than the one I got last month, but I'm not sure about the function. The perforated clutch, this right here is $35, which is cheaper than the one I bought last month. The Katie Pearl Tee, which is the first thing I tried on with the Isaac Mizrahi pants. That is $59. Whoa. The rolled up sleeve one, where the heck did that go already? Oh, I've got it on. The blue, pretty, yeah, navy and orange, that is $69. Shit. And the Mason walking short in royal blue I've got on. Those are $89. Well, I ain't paying $89 for a short. And the Molly and Isadora in purple, those are $59. These are the ones I was going to tell you. These blue ones that I'm wearing, you're not going to be able to see it, but I just got to tell you, I'm kind of a feel-aholic. I want things to feel nice. Why can't I get myself aimed down here? Anyhow, the lining of these pockets are the grossest feeling fabric I have ever felt. It's like the cheapest muslin that you could possibly use. I don't know. And then they don't flip out because they're stitched all up in here. And I don't know, it just feels gross. And I like to put my hands in my pockets. So in terms of what to keep, I really like the Katie Pearl Tee. Just not sure if and see, 1X is usually more than big enough for me. So, but maybe just because of the brand, I don't know. So I'm thinking about keeping that. I don't know about the clutch. $35 is not bad. It is very, very pretty. The $69 one, yeah, probably not. If it was in petite, that would be a whole different story. The Mason walking short, not paying $70 for a pair of shorts. Sorry about it. Neither of the shorts. Both of the shorts are beautiful. They have nice fabric, and they feel nice. But they don't fit nice, either one of them. They're both so sloppy looking, big fat lady shorts. And it's obvious from the Isaac Mizrahi ones that I showed at the beginning, it's not necessary to have everything be a fat, sloppy lady short. So, okay, that is it for my June Dia box, which looks like this. So, yeah, feel free to give me your impressions and opinions in terms of what you thought about these pieces. Thanks a lot. Take care. Be well. And always be yourself. Right, Missy Moo? Right, Missy Moo?